Okay, so today we're filming going back. Again, look at the water. There's no way I'm going to go in there and swim. Man, I'm a pretty good swimmer, I'll tell you that right now. But I won't swim there. So let's talk about the leasehold. Leasehold states. This is renting. That's what it is. There's three of them. There's tenancy at will, tenancy for years, and tenancy at sufferance. It's three. So let's go with the first one, tenancy at will. Tenancy at will just means this. It means there's no lease, or there's no valid lease, meaning the lease expired. That's all it means. You may have had a lease expired, you're making your rental payments, and the owner's happy with it. You're happy with it, right? Now, here's some advice. If you're renting, you are a disposition. What does that mean? Well, the owner can kick you out anytime. They could raise your lease. They could tell you, hey, you're going to pay $1,000 more next month. Oh, you don't like it? You got 30 days to move out. So don't think that's an advantage for you. You should always have a valid lease. Tenancy for years is just that. Is you have a valid lease. You have a beginning and you have an ending date. And you're somewhere in the middle. That's where you're at. So it's a valid lease. Then there's tenancy at sufferance. Tenancy at sufferance means the landlord needs the property and the tenant is not going out, not moving out, not leaving. That could be for many reasons. One of them is the most obvious one. Tenant is not paying. Got to evict them. Another one is quite an argument that happens in my broker's class, which is the tenant bought a house, and let's say their closing is, I don't know, July 25th. And they tell the landlord, hey, I'm going to be out of here by the 28th. And then the landlord rents the place for August 1st. July 20th, the tenant calls the landlord and says, I need 2 more weeks. The landlord already rented it out. What happens? Technically, because you gave notice, you could have your security deposit in jeopardy. So if you're a property manager, you should know that in real estate, it's not black and white. Everything's very gray. And extensions do happen. So what are you doing? Wait for the tenant to leave. Besides, you should clean it, touch it up, and stuff like that. But what happens is, from the landlord's point of view, they lost what? A month. That's it. Anyway, those are the 3 leaseholds that you need to know for the test.